Alright, got the new Begode A2. Let's unbox this bitch. I waited quite a bit of time for this. I chose this over the M10-4 for a variety of reasons. Safety sheet. I wonder if there's any type of standard certification. It's got like a mark of approval in 2019, expires 2024. I really don't know what that means, so we'll just move on. It's not that that's gonna stop us from buying it anyway. Oh shoot! There's the charger. I was concerned it was gonna be bigger than I expected, and I think my concern is fact, but no big deal. I can always see it. That's much bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. And I'm just gonna ride it in here like an idiot, and just to see if I can just do it. Holy shit, that's heavy. There's some cables for the power. Duty. Pretty heavy, actually. Much heavier than what I was expecting. Much bigger than what I was expecting for sure. I was not expecting something this big. It's like ginormous. I thought I was gonna be able to take this maybe within the buildings on campus, but hell no. This thing is pretty big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess it's out of transport mode now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you hold it down for 5 seconds. Looks like it said it has like something 1,300 miles. I don't know. Or 1 point. I don't know. I don't know what that means. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I guess I'll have to read the instruction on how to turn it on. Oh, this is the first time having it between my legs. Doesn't feel good at all. Did I even get a manual? I don't think I got a manual. Kinda need a manual. Oh man, this is heavier than I thought. What the fuck? Something wrong? Who knows working or not? I'm gonna die on this. You guys are grace. Oh my god. This is dangerous as shit. Whoa! You can't just do that. Oh, this is lame.
Quality assurance checklist from Alien Rides. And so what that checklist does over at Alien Rides, they go through, they unbox, they do a quality assurance. So with A2 specifications, they have knob, 1,000 watt motor, 750 watt hours, the same as the M10 4. I think it's kind of, this wheel's kind of like a reskin, but also better performing as far as bumps. We're gonna keep getting to this box. Opening up this container, we've got a charger. This is our 84 volt, 1.5 amp. So don't expect extreme speeds in charging. There's plenty of chargers around. Roger, one of our buddies, makes the wheel itself that are first thing that I'm noticing from my perspective. I don't like the way that Begode and a lot of other companies